In this video of the Beacon Hill Dollhouse construction, I'm going to go over sections G and O, the chimney. These are related sections, so I decided to discuss them at the same time. First, the pieces for section G are removed and prepared. After the primer coat, I chose a gray paint for the hearth and interior of the chimney. The assembly starts by installing the hearth, then the fireplace sides and the top. I chose to wait till later in the assembly to install the chimney front trim. I first applied a brick veneer sheet over the chimney with a spray adhesive and then painted this to give it a painted brick effect. However, I would say the spray adhesive did not provide the most effective bonding, and I would suggest finding a better alternative. The trim was installed over the brick after the mansard roof was installed. This did require me to cut down the trim to then properly fit, so it might have been better to apply this before the mansard roof was installed. For section O, the pieces of the chimney flue are prepared and assembled. For this, I used a red brick artist paint to first treat the flue, and then chose a gray for the flue strapping. Thanks for watching.